Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Cybershot camera is probably one of the most versatile digital cameras on the market, offering a blend of portability and performance that caters to both casual users and photography enthusiasts. With a plethora of models available, each boasting unique features and specifications, navigating the options can be daunting. This guide breaks down the essential aspects to consider, ensuring you choose a Cybershot that perfectly aligns with your needs and budget. Number 5. Sony Cybershot RX10 DSC RX10M4. This camera boasts an incredibly fast autofocus acquisition speed of just 0.03 seconds. It allows you to capture fleeting moments with exceptional clarity and precision. This feature ensures you never miss a shot. Sony's optical image stabilization technology is a game-changer for both stills and movies. It's especially beneficial in low light or when using the zoom, up to 600 mm. This helps to reduce blur and keep your shot steady. With 315 phase detection AF points covering approximately 65% of the frame, it offers incredibly accurate focusing. The camera's light metering modes include multi-pattern, center-weighted, spot, and more. This ensures optimal exposure in various conditions. It features a Zeiss Variosonar T*24 to 600 mm f2.4 f4 ultra-zoom lens. This lens provides incredible versatility, from wide-angle shots to extreme telephoto, all in one package. It allows you to capture a wide range of subjects with ease. The camera incorporates a 20.1 MP 1-inch back-illuminated Exmor RS stacked CMOS sensor with DRAM. It has dimensions of 514 by 334 by 534 inches and weighs about 2 pounds 6.7 ounces with the battery and SDXC card. This sensor delivers exceptional image quality. It can shoot continuously at 24 frames per second, capturing up to 249 frames with AF/AE tracking. The filter diameter is 62 mm. This allows you to capture fast-moving action with ease. What we like. This camera boasts an incredibly fast autofocus, allowing you to capture fleeting moments with ease. Its impressive zoom range lets you get closer to the action, whether you're shooting wildlife or sports. If you're a professional or enthusiast who values speed and versatility, this camera is your perfect companion. What people say. The onboard lens provides a power zoom capability and the photos are crisp. The lens and the processor of the Mark IV takes the prize, and it is just unbelievable. Sony has made improvements on the menu. Even though the camera is heavier than the FZ2500, it is water and dust resistant. Number 4. Sony Cybershot DSC RX10 Camera Kit. This Sony Cybershot camera kit is designed for capturing stunning photos and videos. It features a high-resolution sensor and a versatile zoom lens, allowing you to get the perfect shot every time. Inside, you'll find a powerful sensor and image processor working together. They ensure that every image is sharp, clear, and full of vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera boasts a versatile Zeiss lens, offering a wide zoom range. This allows you to capture everything from expansive landscapes to close-up shots of distant subjects with ease. Record videos in stunning 4K resolution or capture fast-moving action with high-speed frame rates. It's perfect for both professional videographers and casual users. This kit includes everything you need to get started, such as extra batteries, a tripod, and memory cards. It also comes with a soft bag and other essential accessories, making it a complete package. What we like. This camera offers stunning image quality with its 20.1 MP sensor, ensuring your photos are sharp and detailed. It also shoots in 4K, perfect for capturing high-resolution videos. Plus, it comes with a bundle of essential accessories. If you're looking for a complete package that's ready to go right out of the box, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera came in 2 days as promised and it looks brand new even though it's open box, but be aware that this package is not shipped by Amazon, it is shipped by FedEx and you will have to sign at your address to receive the package. They will not let you make alternative plans such as leaving it at a FedEx store or with a neighbor, which are people that work during the day, is a real pain. Other than that, I am very happy with the camera. Quality is excellent. All order was as stated on Amazon. Seller was very helpful when called about the camera. Number 3. Sony Cybershot DSC H320.1 MP digital camera. This camera boasts a 20.1 MP sensor, ensuring your photos are incredibly detailed. It allows for beautiful enlargements and crisp, blur-free HD video thanks to its in-camera stabilization. Get closer to the action with the 35x optical zoom. It's perfect for capturing distant subjects without moving, making it ideal for travel and events. The high megapixel count means you can enlarge, zoom in, and crop your photos without losing any important details. This ensures your images remain sharp and clear. Capture the whole scene with the sweep panorama feature. It allows you to easily create stunning panoramic shots of landscapes and group photos. Optical steady shot reduces blur, even in low light conditions. This feature helps to ensure your photos and videos are clear and steady. What we like. With its powerful 35x optical zoom, this camera lets you capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. The 20.1 MP sensor ensures your photos are packed with detail, and the optical steady shot feature minimizes blur. If you enjoy travel photography or capturing candid shots, this camera will help you get the perfect shot. What people say. Once I did have the camera in order, with the settings I wanted, and, by the way, you have many options when it comes to settings, I, easily, took a few quick shots, which came out stunning and clear. I also liked how far I could zoom in and still have the photos turn out beautiful. It takes excellent pictures in 1M to 15M and maybe a little farther. Number 2. Sony Cybershot DSC W800B 20.1 MP digital camera. This is a certified refurbished camera from Sony. It has been restored to full working order. It may show limited wear, but it comes with all original accessories. The package includes everything you need to get started. You'll find the AC adapter, wrist strap, and multi-USB cable. It's ready to go right out of the box. It also comes with a 90-day limited hardware warranty. This provides peace of mind knowing that it is backed by a warranty. You can be confident in your purchase. The AC adapter is included, so you can easily charge the camera. This ensures that it is always ready for your next adventure. It's convenient and easy to use. The wrist strap keeps the camera secure. It helps to prevent accidental drops. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your investment. The multi-USB cable allows you to transfer photos and videos. You can easily connect it to your computer. It makes sharing your memories simple. What we like. This camera offers a great balance of features and affordability. The 20.1 MP sensor captures detailed images, and its compact design makes it easy to carry around. If you're looking for a simple, reliable camera for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. Nice used camera, small and light but very strong. It has a 5x optical telephoto and lots of pixels, for detailed prints up to 8x10. The removable battery can be charged in the camera with USB or with a separate purchase charger. The included USB cable permits loading pictures from the SD card into a computer, and also charging the battery. Light, compact pocket camera with protective lens cover. Number 1. Sony RX100 VA 20.1 MP digital camera, renewed. This is the Sony RX100 VA, a compact powerhouse for capturing stunning photos and videos. It's a renewed camera, offering exceptional performance in a small package. You will love it. Experience incredible speed with the RX100 VA's autofocus system. It can shoot up to 24 frames per second with a focus time of just 0.05 seconds. This feature ensures you never miss a shot. The camera boasts a 20.1 megapixel sensor and Bion's X processor. This combination delivers exceptional image quality with remarkable detail and clarity. It makes your photos look amazing. The RX100 VA features a retractable electronic OLED TrueFinder. This allows you to easily view and review your photos and videos, even in bright sunlight. It is very convenient. Share your photos and videos effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi. Connect using NFC or QR codes to transfer your content to your smartphone or tablet. It is easy to share. What we like. This camera is all about speed and performance, with its lightning-fast autofocus and high-resolution photos. The retractable viewfinder is a nice touch for composing shots. If you're looking for a pocket-sized powerhouse that delivers exceptional image quality, you will love it. What people say. Better pics than my phone. Nice size to carry in my purse. Excellent little camera to take along anywhere. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.